The customer's Epson i3200 nozzle is blocked. The nozzle is in poor condition. The status of the second channel is okay. The third channel is severely blocked. Only a little bit can be sprayed out. The fourth channel has the biggest problem. I can't even press it in when using a syringe, completely blocked. After professional operation by our technicians, this Epson nozzle has been cleaned. Let's take a look at the status again. Good condition, every channel is unobstructed, successfully repaired. Epson 5113 nozzle blockage cleaning, completed. The customer said that the printing effect of the nozzle is not good. The nozzle status is indeed very poor. Many spray holes are angled. Some of the spray holes are blocked. After our professional cleaning, let's take a look at the effect after cleaning. Perfect straight line, there are no broken needles or slanted sprays. Unimpeded. The other channel is the same. Epson 4720 nozzle clogging cleaning. Epson i1600 nozzle clogging cleaning. Epson DX5 blockage cleaning and unblocking. Epson i3200 Printhead blockage cleaning, completed. Epson 5th generation nozzle, blockage cleaning and unblocking.